today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Roblox app. All you have to do in the first, so you just go down here, click here on more. You click on more down here. So when you click here on more, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you just scrolling down here until you will find here settings. Click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list here. You click here on notifications. Then you just switch into open with you here. So then you click here on mobile push notifications here. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You just scrolling down here until you will find here content recommendations. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's main content recommendations disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.